we want to calculate the total interest paid during the year. That's the sum of all of the interest components from the 12 monthly payments made during the year. We'll click on cell B11, and we're going to use the cumulative interest payment function to calculate the total interest paid through the 12 monthly payments of this first year. Click on Formulas, Financial. I'm going to come down here and click on the Cumulative Interest Payment, CUMIPMT function. The function argument window opens up. The rate is again going to be in D5. We freeze that. The total number of payment periods over the life of the loan is found in cell F5. We freeze that. The present value represents the original loan amount. That's in cell A5, and we freeze that. And now we come to a couple of new arguments. The first one is the start period. So we have to indicate the first payment period number for this particular year, and that's going to be in cell B9. Because we're going to be copying this function over to years 2, 3, 4, and 5, I do not want to freeze this start period address. I click down here in the end period entry box, and that's going to be cell B10. So we're asking this function to take all of the interest components for these 12 payment periods, from payment period 1 through payment period 12, combine them, and then give that single value. We have to scroll down one more argument, so we can either click this little drop arrow or click and drag the scroll bar, and the type argument will be 0. When we click OK, we see that over the 12 periods, starting with period number 1 and ending with period number 12, those payment periods combined paid back $13,838 in interest. We can now copy this formula over through year 5 by putting our cursor in the lower right corner till it changes to the little black crosshair, clicking and dragging. Oops. One more. You can see from this that the total interest paid in year 1, $13,838. The total interest paid in year 2 is $11,179. The total interest paid in year 3, that's payment periods 25 through 36, was $8,313, and so on. So the interest payments decrease as you go from year to year towards the end of the life of the loan.